Hey there, I'm Cash Doyle, 4th generation Doyle and marketing manager for Doyle Equipment Manufacturing. We're at the 2023 MAGIE show. This is one of our favorite shows to come to every single year. We bring all of our equipment from our spreader line to our tender line to our blenders and conveyors, everything in between. We also have all of our sales guys come in, so it's just a great place for all of us to get together, talk with our customers, see our competitors, and just to build those relationships. A couple of things that we're really focusing on this year are the automation blending, automated blend systems with our declining weight and our auto batch blend systems. These are very modular, customizable systems, and they can be built for almost any need that an individual may need in their system. Having a presence at MAGIE means a lot. Growing up, having my family come here, bringing our equipment, bringing our friends, having the sales guys, it's a very family feel coming up here, seeing a lot of friendly faces. So it's one show we look forward to every single year, to come up here, grill up those famous pork chops on a stick that we've been bringing out here every year, that knocked it out of the park, and just beating the heat with some ice cold water. So we're very blessed to be here, very blessed to show off our equipment and to build new relations and new customers. So we look forward to coming here in the future. And if you guys haven't been to the MAGIE show before, come on out and come check out the Doyle Equipment Manufacturing booth.